Hi everyone, so in today's video I am going to be doing a wash and go using the new Cantu Avocado products. So I have the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curl Activator. I was going to read the rest, but I don't feel like it, so I have this. And then I also am going to be using the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Gel. I did not get the shampoo and conditioner, so I didn't use that. But I did shampoo and condition my hair already using the products that I used in all my other videos. So that's already done. I put this towel on my head to keep the heat in my head so that the products can absorb into my hair better. And I put this on for the heat as well, and also so my hair doesn't get so dry before I put this on. So if you would like to see this video, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Okay, so I'm going to do maybe like this side of my head on camera. I'm going to apply the curl activator on this whole section, and then the gel I'm going to separate into two sections. Ooh, it just smells really like fresh, like a nice spa day. It's kind of thick. Okay, so I'm going to just apply this on my hair. Ooh, it has a really interesting texture to it. It's not like their other cream products, like the Cantu coconut curling cream, or like the leave-in conditioners. It has more of like a, I don't know how to describe it. It just feels different in my hair. Like a good different. I like it. It feels like it's actually like absorbing into my hair rather than just sitting on my hair, where some of their other products do feel like they do. It's really pretty. Obviously it's a cream, but it feels more like a custard, kind of the way that it's going into my hair and the way that it feels. Okay, so this product feels very nice in my hair. I love the way that it applies to my hair. And it feels really nice. Look, my curls. Okay, I see you. So I'm going to split this section into two so I can apply the gel. It smells just like the Curl Activator cream. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to apply the gel. I'm gonna start at my ends. It applies so nicely in my hair. It reminds me of the new Wetline Extreme Gel just because of how kind of thin it is. So that is that. It did kind of clump my curls after I applied some more on there, but this is what it's looking like. So yeah, that's really pretty. I really like that. So yeah, that is this entire section done. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really pretty. It looks so pretty, look. I'm going to do this section now, and I'm going to speed it up just because I already talked about it in this one. Okay, so this is the half of my head done. I think it looks really pretty, and I'm really happy with how my hair is looking. The curls are so defined, and it does not feel heavy in my hair at all. My hair is so easily, it's not stiff at all, and it's so pretty. I love it. So that's it for this side of my head. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera, and then come back and then go over what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so my hair is completely done. I'm going to let my hair dry. It's probably gonna take overnight, so I might come back tomorrow. But I want to give y'all my final review when my hair is dry so I can see if there's gonna be any flaking or anything happening. So I will wait until my hair is dry, come back and give y'all my final review. Hi everyone, so I have allowed my hair to dry and then I use the blow dryer to stretch it. If you want to see how I do that, make sure to go check out that video. But anywho, I just love the way that my hair looks. See how so much movement, stiff wear. Not here, girl. Anyways, I'm gonna just show y'all my whole head. I really love these products. My wash and go is so cute and my curls like are so defined and they're so pretty and I just love it so much. So for my final review, I'm going to say that I love these products together and individually. I just love them all together. The Curl Activator is such a unique formula from what Cantu already has. It's something that is not like their other kind of cream products. And I really like that because it feels more like a custard going into my hair. I know it's a cream, but it applies like it's a custard. And it has a lot of slip and it absorbs easily into my hair, which I love because I feel like it's actually hydrating my hair, not just sitting on top of it. The gel I love because it doesn't clump my curls so much, but it clumps it just enough so that the curl definition actually stays. And it's really pretty. And my curls pop so much with this gel on it. And I just think it's so pretty on my hair. There is a little bit of flaking, but I kind of expected that because a lot of times with products that are white on my hair, they usually end up flaking no matter what I do to it. Even if I put oil on it, if I put like a different gel or put more water, it still ends up flaking just a little bit. It's not like a whole lot of flaking to the point where you can't even see that it's like white or anything, but it's just a little bit like on my clothes. But it's nothing terrible, nothing that I didn't expect, nothing that I didn't expect to happen, so that's fine. But I just love these products. I'm definitely going to use them more often and I am very happy with the results. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below what you thought about the products and make sure to subscribe for my channel for more videos in the future. Bye!